Hi everybody, we're going to start talking about decimals today. And first thing I'm going to show you is what you'll use as a model for decimals for children in your class. Usually decimals sort of begin starting in 4th grade. And what we use as our 1 is the thing that used to be the big thousands cube in place value. So that big huge cube that represented 1,000, that now is going to represent 1. So flats that used to represent hundreds, but now they are 1/10 of this big hole here. So these are going to represent tenths, not tens, tenths. And it takes 100 of these to make up this. So these are now going to be hundredths. Another way to write this, 0.1, right? And these little tiny cubes, these are going to represent thousandths. And they're equal to 0.001. So the big huge cube is the 1, flats are tenths, these are hundredths, and these are thousandths. And the good news is that addition and subtraction, multiplication, and division algorithms pretty much work the same exact way. Let's do an example just so you can see what I mean. Let's do the problem 0.324 minus 0.151 and see how we might model that for kids. So first what this means, this is 3/10. So here they are. 2 of these hundredths and 4 of the thousandths. That's what those represent. And here I have 1/10, 5 of these hundredths and 1 of these thousandths. And I'm going to subtract them. So when I subtract 1/1000th from 4 thousandths, I'm ended up with 3 of those thousandths. And here I don't have enough tenths here to take away 5/10. I only have 2, so I'm going to break apart, hundredths. I want to take 5 hundredths from 2 hundredths. I don't have enough, so I'm going to break apart one of these tenths to make 10 hundredths. And now I can do the subtraction because I have all of these hundredths here. And I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take them away, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And then I can subtract, now I have enough tenths, 2 tenths, I take away 1 of the tenths, and I'm left with 1. So you can see that the algorithm looks exactly the same. But now this represents 1/10, 7 hundredths, and 3 thousandths.